This is the outcome of not putting a vapor barrier underneath your foundation. Is that what's happening right now? I'm gonna do some redneck shit. No, bro. That is so much water. This usually is never right here because it has an outlet right here. It's just too full.
Let's let you run.
Dog, what are you doing? What did I tell you about just sitting around? You're a damn dog. So we have stuff growing through the concrete. It is efflorescence. Efflorescence is salt. Salt grows through concrete when you don't do your job properly and put a vapor barrier underneath it. You can't really say that because back then it was not a requirement to put a vapor barrier, but this is the outcome of not putting a vapor barrier underneath your foundation. It was not easy.
You want to get started? Come. You want to go?
All right, guys. So we got a pretty cool grinder in there. We're gonna grind the entire floor down, and then we're gonna put a vapor barrier coating on top of it. Then we're gonna put a subfloor. Then not a subfloor. Sorry. Then we're gonna just put floating wood floor. So it's gonna look cool. So we went to rental, guys. I got a grinder, and the funny thing is you have to buy the blades separate for full price, and then rent the grinder. The grinder is like $340 a day. And this is the half size one. So the full size one was about $500 a day, plus 2 sets of grinder blades. And these things come in a 3-pack, and each one is $40. They don't sell the 3-pack at a certain price. They sell each blade for $40 a piece. So this is a $500 plus that, so I think we're at $550 just for rent this for a day. But it's necessary. You have to grind the floor down. How you use these is you get the fuses on, right? That's a good start. Keep blowing the Wi-Fi fuse. Oh, Wi-Fi is on, so we're good. Oh, what are we blowing now? Of course, there's 5 fuse boxes in this house. What are you doing out here? Yep. Boom. So I lived at this house for 2 years. It's my mother-in-law's house, so I'm comfortable working on my vehicles here. So we need to fix the exhaust on this guy because it snapped off. And I welded it back on, but there's still like a 1-inch hole in it. We've got some exhaust putty and a 2-inch adapter to add on because it broke off right at the catalytic converter. Let me show you. If you look up underneath here, it broke off right there. Like it's clean right there. And if you look up on this side, there's a big old hole. So yeah, I gotta fix that. Oh, no way. No way. Is that what's happening right now? So that's gasoline. I knew it. I knew I smelled gas. You did? Fuck. No way. That's interesting. Oh. Fuel line. Okay, so it is straight up draining off of that. We hit a puddle this morning, and we hit it at about 15, 20 miles an hour, and it was like 5 inches deep and 20 feet wide. Unintentional. We rounded a corner, and it was just there. I definitely think that the water hit this with such force that it cracked the fuel. Oh, that's all it is. Okay, so that's easy fix. This is a 4Runner we picked up for a couple grand and rebuilt the motor. About close to 4 grand into it. And I mean, it runs good, just working out all the kinks. I like it. Oh my God, this is tough. So this is a type of high heat, high strength metal epoxy, and I'm gonna fill the little hole that's in the exhaust with it. It's designed for exhaust systems. You just gotta squeeze it up, get it all bonded to itself. It gets hard enough to grind. Comes this nice little tube. Fucking hole. Couldn't be. See that exhaust bolt?
Hey, what the f?
Yeah, it's totally separated. Both sides are like that.
Definitely quieter. Hello, how are you doing today?
Day number something. And we gotta do some self-leveling right here because we got about an inch out of level for whoever did this add-on. You can see that there's an add-on. So we got some bags of Rapid Set Self-Leveler. I just put some glue, some Sika glue. I just used a sponge and tapped it on there. Now I'm gonna let it get tacky. I'll let it dry out a little bit, and then we will toss some self-leveler on. All right, today's game plan is we got our old guy back, Cyrus, for today. He's gonna be setting up the curb while me and River do some self-leveler. It's Rapid Set, so hopefully it dries soon enough for us to put epoxy on the ground. It's gonna be a good day. We're using the acre mixer out of number 3. I'm gonna do some redneck shit. We got a piece of rebar for a mixer.
2.0, bro.
Oh, look at it!
I made a mixer. Basically, the people that built this add-on didn't have a level on them, apparently. Mix this stuff in. So we're using some self-leveler to fix the issue.
Support crew.
Have River bring one of the straightest whiteboards that's out there. I would add a little bit more water. That's the only thing. Hindsight's 20/20, baby. I was expecting at least 2 bags out of this, so I got 1 extra, a third. I ended up getting 2 extra. I'm gonna use 1. I'd rather have it, not need it, than need it and not have it. That is something I live by, especially prepping for the end of the world and government takeover. I gotta tighten up the exhaust manifold. That's what I'm talking about. There. Balls.
What do you got?
Yeah, if you twirl it around on the...
It's a whole lot of Nanya sandwich.
Give it to me.
So you want multiple buckets when you're doing this, and this is one of the best methods we've found if you don't have one of the walk behind $10,000 cleaners. Sorry, listening to a little bit of Ben Shapiro. You want to have clean water at all times. So he's gonna do about 3 feet maybe, and I'm gonna change his damn bucket of water out so he can keep going with clean water. It's to get all the dust and small particles off. Wipe once, flip it, wipe once, don't wipe again. Rinse the sponge out. Yeah, boy, go!
Now allied with people who hate me, and
So there is no chance we're gonna be moving this piano out of the house. It's far too expensive. We're not gonna take it apart. So what we're gonna do is we're doing a fine line right here, and we'll do the epoxy on this side, let it cure, move everything over to that side, and then do the epoxy over here. So I'm doing a dirty first pass, so we're gonna do a clean second pass.
that probably contributed more to ice to the.
Look at that nasty floor, and look at that good floor.
See those streaks? No streaks.
You don't like Elon Musk? You're
not being very honest. All absolutism, not any group or individual.
Here's my secret, super secret nut supply. If you need anything special like nuts, bolts, all that, going to Ace Hardware's the way to go. Doesn't fit in this one. 5. Okay. M10 by 1.25. They have these handy dandy little things right here that give you all sorts of measurements. Oh my God.
This is the one I bought.
Well, that's a nice set. So much better.
That's what it sounds like.
Hey guys. All right, there's the catalyst. Wow, that does smell strong. Oh, neck ingenuity, baby. Catalyst. Be sure to get all of the material in there. It's mixed out properly in the container, so don't fuck it up. Now 2 minutes on a low mix. That's actually perfect.
Hey, your dad's calling.
Hey, Paul.
Hey.
Yo.
Have you put that gasket on that thing yet?
Yep, I got both gaskets on, got her all sealed up.
All right, shit. All right, I forgot to tell you there might be a pattern to tighten those up.
Yeah, I'm missing a bolt on each one, so I just got 2 bolts semi-tight. I'm gonna run to Ace Hardware on my way home and put the 3rd one on, but I looked it up.
Okay, good, because yeah, there might be a...
Yeah, there is a specific pattern, it's clockwise.
All right, from inside out?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yep.
All right.
Awesome, all right, I'm putting epoxy down right now, Pa.
All right, love you.
Love you. This is like a see-through epoxy. This actually isn't that fragrant. Yeah, that would be nice. I was thinking about polished floor, but it's too late now. It doesn't have any barrier.
Just evening out and... Ami, come here. Moose, you get so much attention all the time. Ami! You're a camera hog and a love hog.
We're gonna sell some Sika sealant today, and we're gonna be sealing this crack before we do epoxy over it. That way, it never, ever has the opportunity for water to ruin our epoxy. So what I did here is I just ground the crack out. That way it's wider and it can accept sealant. If it's really, really thin, it's very difficult to put sealant inside of it. Got it.
Is there a trick to it?
Keep it in the hole. This is a tight one.
Just drying out the bucket, clear.
2 minutes. Window it out. Nice.
Hey guys, it is Mr.DIY editing here. Thank you so much if you lasted this far in the video. I know this video is a little longer and I put multiple days into one. And if you know anything about our channel, you know this is very new for us. You can go check out our shorts for what I am good at. But for now, I need your guys' help to tell me what you want to see. If you like this vlog style of video, is it too long? Is it too short? Your guys' opinions matter, so please leave it down below. And also, pretty please leave a like and subscribe because it really does help us out and it really does help us keep doing this. Stay tuned for the next part of this project where Mr.DIY is pouring concrete right outside that wall to finish the drainage system. Yeah, and it gets pretty crazy. So please like and subscribe if you want more projects and stuff. Yeah, thank you for watching, guys.